Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Quite a tiring day today. I think I told you yesterday that today is my kid's birthday. Today she turned 2 year old. Time just flies by like anything. I kind of faintly remember we just celebrated her first year birthday. It felt like hardly few days ago. It was as recent as that. In fact, I was talking to few of my friends who are also into event management and who helped me with her first birthday celebration, which I did last year. Um, it happened in an outdoor venue. I was talking to them just last evening. I wanted certain things from them, and they were like, "It's already a year now." So it's literally like at least the last 4 months we know how things were and how things flew by. But at least I can't even realize that she's already 2 year old now, and amazing. Um, I mean, you just have to be in this position to kind of go through all this feeling and mixed emotion kind of a thing, that I would say. Um, it's not that it's always fun. It's not that it's always hectic or irritating or whatever you can call. It's a roller coaster ride being a father, and I definitely enjoy it. And today is one of those days when, I think one of those rare days. I don't know, for whatever reason, my daughter was like at the peak of her happiness today, and she um, got up. She got to wear so many new dresses, and the best part was in the evening after she got up from her afternoon nap, we had set up our um, common area in front of my room for her birthday cake cutting, and we had set up with huge arc of balloons, white and pink balloons, which to go along with her dress. And the kind of expression that she gave immediately after coming out of the room, she was like so happy. She loves balloons, okay? And I think it's pretty common for all the kids, and she's no exception. But I think this was the first time she saw so many balloons, and right in her access. Like she would have seen it in during some carnivals or something when we go out. But today is one of the days she's seeing so many balloons in front of her, and she literally went out of control. We had to literally tie her down, pin her down to make sure that she does not burst or damage all the balloons until we cut the cake. So it was really, um, she was in such an excitement, I would say. But anyway, the key thing I would say is, definitely don't sideline her mother. I really have to appreciate my wife for having gone through all this what do you call struggle over the last 48 hours. We shopped all these balloons, we set up all these things, the backdrop, the stage. She took care of ordering the cake, ordering the takeaway gifts. Rather, we didn't have any guests coming into our house. It's only our family. But we made sure that we sent across chocolates and cakes to our close family members, so that they can also enjoy this special day with us. And apparently, we ended up doing what quite a lot of other people are doing, which is celebrating this birthday virtually. So for first time ever for me, so I set up the whole thing called Zoom meeting. I set it up between 7:30 and 8:30. I had sent across the invite in an email to my close, that first line family members. Most of them didn't know how to check or what to do. Then I had to send them through WhatsApp and then call and tell them what they have to do. Eventually all of them did join, and they were all happy that they're scattered all across Bangalore, so they were very happy that they were able to wish her in person and also see all this cake cutting ceremony and all those stuff. So overall it was a fantastic experience, and I really have to thank my wife for coming up with all this idea, the planning, the execution. The last night also we sat here and we got most of the balloons ready, and rest of it was today afternoon. My room, beyond what you're seeing here in this frame, looks like an absolute mess. It's completely, it's dirty to the core, I would say. So, probably 10s and 20 balloons which are burst, and it's all scattered everywhere, all the ones which got damaged. It's a complete mess. Even my study table where like rather I would call it as my work table. My it's filled with all junk. It's all, the room is an absolute mess. Like whatever you see beyond this frame is like unimaginable. So, but overall it was a fantastic day. I was so happy that the day went so well, and it all like reflected in people's faces, the smiles, and most importantly for me, most importantly is that my kid and my wife were like the most happiest today, and that makes me more happy. So that's what it's all about today. I'm extremely tired. I don't know how much I can. This probably is one of those shortest vlogs, but I'll be back tomorrow with more energy. I'll get enough sleep, get some good energy, and I'll be back tomorrow with some proper content. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for sticking around. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.